Seriously? Okay, hey guys, it's me, Pinkie Pie, and today we're going on another nature series, okay? I'm not ruining this intro. This is really funny. Go over there and hold the camera. Sorry. Hey guys, we have been recording a lot of videos today to make up for lost time. Plus, Plus, Rainbow Jackie told me how she wants to start recording daily too. So we're gonna probably do like 1 to 2 episodes a day. And that way we'll go on to season 2, season 3, season 4, and maybe we might keep on going because we have a lot of other series and stuff to be planned, and we know how much you like this. Twilight, your camera skills are just not good. Sorry, after 2 videos, you get kind of woo! After fake footages, and it's not fake, it actually did happen, but it wasn't footage. I just wanted to use that word. Don't tell them the secret. Anyway, that's a nature video. Pinkie, are you okay? You seem kind of tired. Oh, I'm really tired because, the 4th of July party was a lot of work. And, well, come on, we had to go do the video. Yeah, what are you doing? Ah! That was me. You're not coming. But we had to do another nature video. Yeah, I know. Ew, dead ants. Ew. Nobody likes that. Come on, let's come over here. I'm levitating the camera. Come on, Pinkie. Fine. It was your idea to do a nature video today. Well, I didn't know it would be this bad. I should not even upload this. Okay. We should do a behind the scenes video of like bloopers and stuff eventually. Of like all of our bloopers while making the video. Yeah, we should do that at the end of every season. How many episodes is every season gonna have? Well, this is for my nature series. But maybe like, I don't know how many episodes. I'll tell you all that in the next update video once I decide. There might be 2 update videos today because I might make my decision today. By the way, I'm going to do a small mini giveaway at the end of every season. And more details about that will come closer to the end of the season. Come on, let's go rock climbing. You could just fly over the rock. But it's more fun to climb eventually. You have to do nature. Okay. I'm coming. Whoa, that was pretty fun. Ah! Pinkie! Are you okay? Oh, sure. You didn't even bother to come down here and help me. So fun. Next, we're going to go play hide and seek in the little forest. I'm going to count first. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I... Oh. Well, anyway, guys, I guess I'll outro this video because I guess she was a chicken and went inside. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe. Tell your friends about it and leave a like. I always forget that. And also, stay tuned for some more episodes because we have a lot of makeup work to do. Peace out, dudes.